The astrologer felt very uncomfortable. Here, take your Anna back. I am not used to such challenges. It's late for me today. Let me go. And suddenly, astrologer said, "Take your Anna back. I am not used to such challenges. It's too late for me. Let me go today." He made preparations to bundle up, and he was ready to go. He bundled up all his things. The other held his wrist and said, but the other man, he looked harsh. He looked hard-hearted, unkind, and uh, he the other held his wrist. He held his wrist and he said, "You can't get out of it now. You can't get it out of it now. आता तुला याच्यातनं बाहेर नाही जाता येणार. तू सांगितलं मला थांबवलं, आता सांग. You dragged me in while I was passing. You dragged me while I was passing. Now tell." The astrologer shivered in his grip and his voice shook and became faint. Astrologer shivered. Shivered कापणे. Shivered shake. Shake. The shivered. Astrologer shook in his grip. Grip, tight hold. Astrologer shook in his grip and became faint. And he became faint. "Leave me today. I will speak to you tomorrow." The other thrust his palm in his face and said, "Challenge is challenge. Go on." The astrologer proceeded with his throat drying up. Astrologer's throat was now drying up with fear. Right? There is a woman, and he started in his usual way again. There is a woman, right? But astrologer used to tell that way. He used to fool everyone that way. So he started again. So there is a woman. Just stop, said the other. "I don't want all that. Shall I succeed in my present search or not?" Right? Stop. Don't tell me that. Tell me, I don't want all that. Just tell me, shall I succeed in my present search or not? He was searching for someone and he asked a specific question, whether he would succeed in his present search or not. "Answer this and go." He said, "Answer this and go. I will not let you go till you discharge all your coins. I will not let you go till you surrender all your coins. Sit here and tell me, answer my question. Will I become successful in my search? Will I become successful in finding the person I am searching for? And I will not let you go till you discharge, till you surrender, till you yield all your coins." Yield or surrender means to give. Okay. Here yield means to give or to surrender. Sharan dane, deun dene. The yield, the other meaning is product, utpadan. But here it means to give or surrender. The astrologer muttered a few incantations and replied, "All right, I will speak. But will you give me a rupee if what I say is convincing? If I what I say is convincing, if what I tell you is convincing, will you give me a rupee? Otherwise, I will not open my mouth, and you may do what you like." After a good deal of haggling, after a good deal of bargaining, the other agreed. After a good deal of bargaining, the other person agreed. He said, "Okay." The other agreed, and the astrologer said, "You were left for dead. Am I right?" And he said, "You were left for dead. Am I right?" He said, "You were left for dead. Am I right?" Ah, tell me more, tell me more. And he became curious. "A knife has passed through you once. Once a knife had passed through your body. Once a knife had passed through you," said the astrologer. "Good fellow." Then he bared his chest to show the scare, and he opened his chest, opened the button to show him the mark of the wound. Scare means zakhmechi khun, mark of a. He bared his chest to show the scare. What else? "And then you were pushed into a well nearby in the field." And then you were pushed into a well nearby in the field. So a knife passed through you once, and then you were pushed into a well, and you were left for dead. I should have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into the well, exclaimed the other, overwhelmed by enthusiasm. And the other was overwhelmed. He was flooded with emotions and excitement, with overexcitement and enthusiasm. He was flooded, he was overwhelmed. And he further said that I should have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into the well. He exclaimed, what shall I get at him? I am sorry. When shall I get at him? He asked, clenching his fist. And the client said, when shall I get at him? He clenched his fist, mutti. He clenched, ghatta avadne. He clenched his fist and said, when shall I get him? In the next word, answered the astrologer. He died 4 months ago in a far off town. You will never see any more of him. The other groaned on hearing it. The astrologer proceeded. And the astrologer further told him that he would meet him in the next world, because the man he was searching for passed away 4 months ago in far off town. Far away, far off, दूर. O double F O, off म्हणजे दूर, आणि FAR far म्हणजे पण दूर. So far off, दूर, in a far off town 4 months ago he died. So you will not meet him in this world. You will never see him any more. You will never see any more of him. The other groaned, a sound made with pain. And when the other person heard this, he groaned with pain. Right? The other groaned on hearing it. You know, groan, a sound made with pain. For example, that kind of sound when someone feels acute pain and he makes a kind of sound with pain is called groaning. Fine. The other groaned on hearing it. The astrologer proceeded. Guru Nayak, another surprise to the client. Guru Nayak, you know my name? The other said, taken aback. Then he said, Guru Nayak, you know my name? You know my name? The other said, and he was taken aback, surprised. Surprised, he said, you know my name? As I know all other things, Guru Nayak, listen carefully what I have to say. Your village is 2 days. Your village is 2-day journey due north of this town. Take the next train and be gone. I see once again great danger to your life if you go from home. He took out a pinch of sacred ash, held it to him, rubbed it on his forehead, and go home. Never travel southward again, and you will live to be 100. Never travel south again, and you will live to be 100. So, in this particular passage, he says, as I know all other things, you know I know your name, you know I know your past, I know what will happen in future also. So, I see a great danger to your life here. In future, if you travel in south, there is a great danger to your life. It's better you move back to your house, you move back to your village. And if you remain in your village, you will live till 100 years. You will live life 100 years. Why should I leave home again? Why should I leave home again? The other said reflectively, I was only going away now and then to look for him and to choke out his life if I met him. He shook his head regretfully. He has escaped my hands. I hope at least he died as he deserved. Yes, said the astrologer. He was crushed under a lorry. The other looked gratified to hear it. Hmm. Crushed under lorry, crushed under lorry. Hmm. So, in this particular passage, the conversation goes on. The conversation goes on, and the the astrologer further tells him that he sees danger to his life if he remains there, and if he travels southward in future, he should stay in his village and at his house if he wants to live safe. And if he remains in his village and never travel to south, he would live 100 years life. And then the man, Guru Nanak, also says, why should he leave his home again? He would be leaving his home now and then only to find that man who had stabbed him with a knife and thrown him into a well. If that man had already died, then why would he travel? He further told him, he just said, I was only going away now and then to look for him and to choke out his life if I met him. So he was searching him to take revenge, to choke out, to strangle and kill. Choke out, strangle and kill. He shook his head. Shook is the past tense of shake. Shake means to move side to side. Shook past tense and shaken third form. He shook his head regretfully with repentance, sadness, or repentance, pachatap. So he shook his head regretfully, and he shook his head regretfully with repentance. But this repentance was not for doing anything bad. This repentance, this regret was with sorrow, because he did not get a chance to strangle, to choke out that fellow who had pushed him into the well and stabbed him. I hope at least, कम से कम, LEAST, कमित कमी, I hope at least he died as he deserved as he was worthy of. He died, I hope at least he died as he was worthy of. He died the death of a criminal at least. Yes, the astrologer said. He was crushed under a lorry. The other looked gratified. Gratified means satisfied, pleased. Okay, so other looked satisfied. Contented, another similar of gratified, contented. So other looked contented. Crushed, चेंगरला गेला. तर मोटार गाडी खाली चेंगरला गेला. लॉरी म्हणजे मोटार. And crushed came under the motor and was killed, crushed under a lorry. And when, these kind of people, revengeful people, they feel good when they find their victim killed in a cruel way. And when the astrologer told him that he was killed, he was crushed under a lorry, he felt satisfied, happy. The place was deserted by the time the astrologer picked up his articles and put them into his bag. The green shaft was also gone, leaving the place in darkness and silence. The stranger had gone off into the night after giving astrologer a handful of coins. And the place was deserted. Deserted means left by everyone. Deserted, left by everyone. To desert means to abandon, सोडून जाणे. Deserted, सोडून दिलेलं, सगळे निघून गेलेलं. Deserted place means निर्मनुष्य जागा, a place where no one is there. Deserted. The place was deserted by the time the astrologer picked up his articles and put them into his bag. The green shaft, the green beam, the green ray that was falling there was also gone, because the shop from where the gleam of light used to come must also have been closed, leaving the place in darkness and silence. So the place was dark and silent then. The stranger had gone off into the night. The stranger had also gone off, and before going, he had given the astrologer a handful of coins. He had given him handful of coins. It was nearly midnight when the astrologer reached home. His wife was waiting for him at the door and demanded an explanation. He flung the coins at her and said, "Count them. One man gave all that." And when he reached home, his wife was waiting. It was already dark. And when he reached home, it was almost midnight. And his wife was waiting for him. She demanded explanation. Why did you come late? Why you became late? And he just flung coins at her and said, "Count them. One man gave me all." 12.5 annas, she counted. She said, counting. He was overjoyed. "I can buy some jaggery and coconut tomorrow. The child has been asking for sweets for so many days now. I will prepare some nice stuff for her." So 12.5 annas, she counted. She counted the money and she said 12.5 annas there. And she was overjoyed. She said that she could buy some jaggery and coconut the next day because their son had been demanding sweets for so many days then. And she would prepare some nice stuff for her, right? So she was happy to receive that money, those coins, because their son was asking for sweets for some days, and probably they could not afford, they did not have money. But when suddenly she got that many coins, she said that she would bring some jaggery and coconut the next day. Jaggery म्हणजे गुळ, jaggery म्हणजे गुळ, and coconut narad. So she said that she would prepare some nice stuff, stuff material. If stuff is used as a verb, it means to fill the hollow part of something. And if stuff is used as a noun, it means some material. Okay. So stuff the hole, right? It means to fill something and close the hole. Stuff the hollow part, it means fill some material and close the hollow part. That is stopping. Okay, let's see the next paragraph. "The swine has cheated me. He promised me a rupee," said the astrologer. She looked at him. "You look worried. What's wrong?" So the astrologer said, "The swine had cheated me. He promised me a rupee and gave only 12.5 anna," said the astrologer. She looked up at him. "You look worried. What's wrong?" "Nothing." After dinner, sitting on the pile, he told her, Do you know a great load is gone from me today?" Payol means खाट. गावामध्ये खाट असते. चारपाई म्हणतात तिला. In Hindi it is called charpai, right? Nowadays we have modern cots, but in old days they used to view a charpai. They used to view a payol. There would be the ropes would be viewed, and there would be a wooden frame, right? And that would be used to sleep or to even if now you go in villages, you may find charpai. In Marathi we call it khat. Okay, in Hindi it's called charpai. And so after dinner, sitting on a payol, he told her, "Do you know, a great load is gone from me today. I thought I had blood of a man on my hands all these years. All these years I used to think I have blood on my hand. But suddenly that load has gone from my head. That was the reason why I ran away from home. That was the reason why I ran away from home. That was the reason why I ran away from home, settled here and married you. He is alive." So he was all the time thinking that he had murdered a person. He had killed a man. and so he had a load on his head, right? Even if a criminal commits some crime and runs away from the eyes of law, you know, he cannot run away from his own conscience, from his own mind. In the same way, the astrologer himself had passed a knife through that man. He had himself tried to kill that man and threw him in a well. But later on, he realized that he did wrong and he was regretting. And he was feeling the load of that crime on his head. But then he told his wife that he was feeling relaxed, he was feeling relieved, and a load had gone from his home because he had realized that he had not killed anyone. She gasped. She gasped. She gasped means to stop a breath for a while or to breathe very fast. She gasped. You tried to kill him. His wife, it seemed that she did not know about his past. She gasped. Gasped. After P, it is pronounced as T. She gasped. You tried to kill him. Yeah. In our village, when I was a silly youngster, we drank, gambled, quarreled badly one day. Why think of it now? It's time to sleep, he said. It's time to sleep. And he said, yawning, and stretched himself on the pile. Stretch, yawning, zambai dene. Yawning, zambai dene. He yawned, and while yawning and stretching himself on the pile, lying on the pile, he stretched his hands and legs, and he said, why to think of it all? It's time to sleep. Okay. And thus he relaxed himself. So, dear students, I hope you understood this story. Okay. And if you still have any doubt, you can ask me now. Page number 5. There are a few new words. Paragraph, last 2 paragraphs from stop, from the word stop onward, last 2 paragraphs you will read. Please do it in 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, I will give you time to ask anything you wish. Quickly. Read each line and each word. Underline whatever you don't understand. Okay, students. What is the similar of to surrender or to yield? To surrender or to yield? Sharan jane, deun dene.
Disgorge.
Very good. Disgorge. Okay. How much money did the astrologer ask for answering his question?
1 rupee.
1 rupee. Very good. What is the similar of bargaining? What is the similar of bargaining? Yes?
Haggling.
Haggling. Very good. Excellent. Okay. What statement of the astrologer shocked the man? What statement of the astrologer shocked the man?
You were left for dead, am I right?
Yes. Very good, Sakshi. You are left for dead. Am I right? This statement shocked him. Okay. Well, what did the astrologer mutter? What did the astrologer mutter? What did the astrologer mutter? Come on, fast. What did the astrologer mutter?
Incantations.
Incantations. Very good, Aryan. Incantations, supposedly some magical words. Mantra. Incantation, mantra. Okay. So incantation, mantra. Incantation means mantras. Then, where was the man thrown after he was stabbed?
In a nearby well.
Yeah, he was thrown in a nearby well. Good. Okay. Who took him out from the well?
A passenger passing by.
A passenger, a man passing by took him out. Okay, good job. What is the similar of to look into? To look into,
Peek. Peek into.
peep into, not peek. Okay. Well, what is the similar of to be overexcited with emotions? Overexcited with
Overwhelm.
overwhelmed. Okay, that's right. What is the similar of excited? I'm sorry. What is the similar of zeal or excitement? Zeal or excitement? Page number 6, paragraph number 2, last line. Zeal or excitement. Page number 6, paragraph number 2, last line. Enthusiasm. Enthusiasm म्हणजे उत्साह. Similar zest, zeal. ZEAL, ZEST. You can note down. Always try to write two synonym for each word. प्रत्येक शब्दाचे आपल्याला कमीत कमी दोन समानार्थी माहिती पाहिजे. Okay. So now let us see the next part. Page number 6. When shall I get at him? From when shall I get at him till the end of the page. Please go through in 30 seconds and ask your doubts. Then after 30 seconds, I will ask the questions. Start. Okay. I will ask the questions. Stop wherever you are now. What is the similar of sound made with pen?
Groaned.
Groan. Very good. Groaned. After sound n, ed is pronounced as d. What did the astrologer tell the man about the person who tried to kill him?
He is crushed under a lorry. He
Yeah,
is dead 4 months ago.
good, Aryan. So he was dead 4 months ago, he was told in a far off town. What is the similar of tightly close, tightly close the fingers,
Clenched.
clenched, clenched. After ch, after if the last sound is ch, the ed is pronounced as t, clenched. He clenched his fist and closing all the fingers together, it's called fist. Dear students, what was the name of that man? What was the name of that man?
Guru Nayak.
Guru Nanak. I want others also to speak. Very good, Aryan. I want everyone to answer, please. How was Guru Nanak killed? I'm sorry. How was the man who had tried to kill Guru Nanak died according to the astrologer? Yes, Aditya? Atharva? Nikita? Sakshi? Yes, Aryan. How was the man who had attempted to kill the person who was listening to his prophecy was killed?
Under a lorry.
Under a lorry. That's correct. Okay. What did the astrologer advise him? What did the astrologer advise Guru Nanak to live 100 years?
To go home and live and don't come back to south of the town.
Yeah. Why should not he travel to south? Why should not he travel to south according to the astrologer?